This 2022 Entegra Coach Odyssey 30Z is a Class C RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 8, external shower, microwave, skylight, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, awning, auxiliary battery, oven, carbon monoxide detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, couples coach, front entertainment, outdoor entertainment. This 2022 Entegra Coach Odyssey 30Z is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.